Scrap Car Comparison's Donate a Car scheme allows you to sell your old, damaged or unwanted vehicle while giving you the chance to donate to one of our chosen charity partners. This scheme is completely unique, making a difference to millions of people each year. To date, we have raised over hundreds of thousands of pounds for lots of different charities, both big and small. Every month we feature a new charity to support, and you can decide to donate some or all your funds from your vehicle to our Charity of the Month or any of our featured charities. It's easy to donate, and it's completely up to you. Our skilled sales advisors will let you know which charities you can support, and if you wish to donate, you can choose your favourite charity. We support a host of charities, including the NHS Charities Together, Cancer Research UK, RSPCA, Dementia UK, CALM, and many more. Our Donate a Car scheme makes such a difference to each of our charities, allowing them to fund groundbreaking research, provide life-saving support, and to make a difference to millions up and down the country. From supporting ill children and babies, to funding cancer research, dementia care, mental health, animal welfare, and so much more. It's never been more important to stand together and support those who need it most. Every year in the UK, over 2 million cars are scrapped, and over 85% of a modern car or van can be recycled and turned into something new. There are many reasons why you might choose to scrap your vehicle, whether it's damaged, old, faulty, or simply unused. You might want to downsize or get something new. Whatever the reason, your car and van can not only be recycled and help the planet, but it can also make a huge difference to many charities and those in desperate need. To donate through our scheme, simply fill in our online form to get a quote, or speak to one of our friendly sales advisors who will start the process for you. We'll let you know our Charity of the Month, and you can choose to support them or any of our featured charity partners. Head to our website to find out more, and read our most frequently asked questions on donating.